Mate 30 Pro. New details about this Huawei iPhone may have leaked ahead of launch next week. Mate 30 Pro will be unveiled by Huawei next week at a scheduled hardware event in the German city of Munich. Ahead of its debut though, it seems huge details about the device have leaked. Mate 30 Pro will be Huawei's second flagship smartphone of 2019. Back in March, the Chinese OEM unwrapped its P30 Pro flagship that has proved to be incredibly popular with Android fans. While the firm's P series typically focuses on its camera as a main selling point, Huawei's Mate lineup of smartphones are renowned for pushing the industry forward with new chipsets and a variety of innovative features such as reverse wireless charging and an in-display fingerprint reader, all of which arrived in last year's Mate 20 Pro. At the German trade show IFA, Huawei confirmed its Mate 30 series of mobiles will be powered by its new Kirin 990 chipset. The silicon should be faster and more efficient than its predecessor, however by far its most notable feature is the fact it has 5G capabilities built in rather than having to rely on an external modem. Design-wise, it seems the Mate 30 Pro will boast a new circular triple camera system on its rear and a larger display than its predecessor with a notch at its top. Earlier this month On Leaks, collaborating with Price Baba, showcased alleged renders of the Mate 30 Pro. The device was exhibited with the characteristics described above. In an article discussing the images, Price Baba declared the Mate 30 Pro will come with a waterfall display. This essentially means the curves on the side of the device's screen will be more prominent than on competing products such as the Huawei P30 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy S10. While the renders from On Leaks and Price Baba appear to give Huawei fans a detailed look at the new Huawei device, it appears a more recent leak may have outed its specifications, too. /Leaks contributor Rodent950 recently took to Twitter and posted a swathe of claims about the new handset. He declared the Mate 30 Pro will tote a display between 6.6 and 6.8 inches with the resolution of 1176x2400. Moreover, it was noted the Chinese hardware will boast 4 cameras on its rear and 3 on its front, giving the phone a grand total of 7 lenses. On its rear, the Mate 30 Pro was said to flaunt a 40-megapixel main camera, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, an 8-megapixel telephoto module and a time-of-flight (TOF) lens. Turning the phone over was tipped to reveal a 32-megapixel selfie camera, an ultra-wide-angle snapper and another TOF module. The Mate 30 Pro was declared to tote a new version of Huawei's signature face unlocking technology that should be faster and more secure, too. Most notably, the phone's front array was stated to be capable of measuring an individual's heart and breathing rate. Alongside its new Kirin 990 chipset, the Mate 30 Pro will supposedly tote 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Finally, the device was said to come with EMUI 10 based on Android 10 pre-installed. Controversially, the phone was stated to arrive without any support for Google apps or services, something that could severely hinder the success of the device in Western markets. If true, this would mean the Mate 30 Pro would not come with the Google Play Store or native apps from the American firms such as YouTube, Gmail, and Maps. These programs could still be harnessed through a web browser, however the experience offered would be severely worse than a native application.